To change your YouTube TV location, follow these steps. Open YouTube TV, launch the YouTube TV app, or visit tv.youtube.com on your device. Access Settings, click on your profile picture, then select Settings. Navigate to Area Settings. In the Settings menu, choose Area, and then select Home Area. Update Home Area. Click on Update next to your current home area. Confirm Location. Follow the prompts to confirm your new location. Note that you must be physically present in the new location to update your home area. Limitations. You can change your home area up to 2 times per year. Current playback area. If you're traveling, you can update your current playback area without changing your home area. Go to Settings greater than Area, greater than Current Playback Area, and follow the prompts. VPN usage. Using a VPN to change your location may not work as YouTube TV uses GPS data for location verification. By following these steps, you can manage your YouTube TV location settings effectively.